For all the state Jural Assemblies Part 40 Grocery Shopping, February 25, 2019 by Anna von Reitz. When you get a taste for baked potatoes and you go grocery shopping to buy some spuds, you don't head over to the pile of lemons, do you? No, lemons aren't potatoes. You are looking for potatoes, so you trundle over to the potato bin and start rooting around. It's the same way when you decide to populate and operate your states of the Union. You don't mess around looking at the federal constitutions. You look at the state archives and the documents that actually set up your state. Why? Because you are looking for potatoes, not lemons. You are in the process of revitalizing your states, not states of states. Because our states entered the Union at various times and under varying circumstances, the documents found in the state archives will vary, too. The original states deriving from the 13 United Colonies of America will have a slightly different history and paper trail than the states entered into the Union via the Northwest Ordinance up to 1860, and their records will be different from the states created after 1860. So there are three principal groups of states: original, Northwest Ordinance, and post-Civil War, but all three processes result in the creation of land and soil jurisdiction states, and the records associated with that entity, your actual state, is what you are after. These documents are normally called statehood compacts, and they are separate from any documents related to commonwealths of state organizations. Once you realize that states are completely separate and different entities apart from states of states, you will see that in fact most things are clearly labeled state or state of state. The only place where this gets confusing is back during Civil War times and just before, where the original federal states of states are all being called Confederate states, because all these entities like the state of Georgia and the state of Massachusetts were members of the Confederation of States set up under the Articles of Confederation, 1781. People used to know and be taught that Confederate meant state of state, and that these states of states were commercial corporations owned and operated by their actual state of the Union. Know that little fact and use your eyes and ears as you research your state archives, and you won't be confused between the two. And stay out of the lemon bin. Anything having to do with the federal government or any state of state is operating in a completely different jurisdiction than you are operating in as a state national or state citizen. Please hit subscribe, like, share, embed, and get ready for many more Anna von Reitz article videos.